How to fix DNS server not responding on Windows 11 or 10. First, right-click on Windows button and then press Run. At Run, type in the following commands: ncpa.cpl, then click OK. In here, network connections will appear. On Wi-Fi, you'll need to double-click on it. Then tap on Properties. On Properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4, then click on Properties once again. In here, input the same values that I have on my screen. Just follow what I'm writing over here. Then click OK. In here, input your Cloud or Google DNS and press OK. Now open Command Prompt and run it as administrator. Then input the following command: ipconfig //flush DNS. Press enter, then restart your PC or laptop. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.